Welcome to Cali Soda Adventure and Review. Today, I'm going to be showing you a 12,000 pound winch. This is made by a company called Approve on Amazon. I decided to get the 12,000 pound because I have a 1-ton diesel truck. I wanted as much pulling power as I could get. Today, I'm going to be testing it out. I have it stretched out about 25 feet. I'm going to wrap a tree saver around a stump out here in the desert. I'm going to put the truck in neutral and just drag it a little bit. I've been wanting to test it out ever since I got it, and today's the day. Now, in my particular install, I did not hardwire the winch to the truck. I actually got a set of disconnect plugs off of Amazon, so I can plug it into the truck as I need and unplug it and cover it back up when I don't want it. The nice thing about this setup is I also have a 30-foot custom jumper cable that I made now. So instead of popping the hood and connecting the jumper cables, I just connect it right there and you're done. So this is the steel cable version. They also make a synthetic rope version. Everything that you need to install it onto your mounting is included. It does come with the roller fair lead. It does come with all the hardware to install it. Now, I had to go and buy the Weston Max winch tray for my truck. There's many different options to mount winches. I really didn't want to go with a hidden one, just for serviceability. So I decided to go with the external mount. This is the little stump that I found. Like I said, I'm going to wrap a tree saver around it to protect the cable. And then I am going to try pulling the truck a little bit. Let's see what happens. Let's make sure to get this nice and low. There you go. So these accessories did not come with the winch, but they're mainly safety accessories. This is so if the cable does break, it doesn't snap back. It has some resistance on it. I figured it might as well just be safe. All right, so the winch has a wired controller, and it also has a wireless controller. I'm going to be using it in wireless mode so I can sit in the truck. Let me set the camera up and I'll show you how it works. I have the truck on, so I'm not going to kill my battery. I have it in neutral. I'm going to switch to wireless on the controller. And I have it on low speed. There's 2 different speeds for this winch. Let's see what happens. Easily pulling the truck, no problem whatsoever. No problem whatsoever. This thing is super strong. All right, let me disconnect everything and I'll do a little wrap up for you. Okay, I need to pull some of this slack out, so I'm just gonna walk with it. All right, that's it. Now I use the wireless option. Like I said, you can connect the cord directly to the side of the winch, But I don't understand why you wouldn't want to use it wireless. It's just so much nicer. I'm going to disconnect the power to the winch. I'm going to cover the winch back up. And that's kind of basically it. Haven't got to try it on anything substantial yet, like another vehicle, but I have a lot of faith in it for sure. Thanks for watching my quick product demonstration video / review video on this 12,000 pound winch. I will put the link below for the winch. I'm not going to put a mounting link because everybody has different vehicles. If you do have an 11 through 16 F2 or F350, I highly recommend the Weston Max winch mount. It was super easy to install. It's 12,000 pound rated also, so it's pretty burly. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos that I have, and we'll see you again.